Look, I can't, of course, give everything away, but I have the pleasure this year of really looking in the future to Accelerate and talking about where Pure is going to be going over the next 10 years. It's going to be fun. The best part of the show every year is always customers. I think that's the real opportunity for everybody coming, is just to share their stories, learn from their peers, and just take in the vibe. Another exciting dimension this year is partners. This is the first time AWS has come to the show, and we're going to have them right in the main keynote, showcasing some of our joint solutions with customers. So this is the 10-year anniversary of Pure, and so you can imagine at this Accelerate, we are going to bring it. You can look forward to a lot of focus on the future, what the next 10 years are going to look like, and some pretty bold predictions for where storage and where IT in general are going. Another exciting element we've added this year is hands-on certification labs. You can come to the show and get certified as a Pure professional by the end of the week.